Hey, Edward.
Hello.
I have a surprise for you.
What is it? Ooh, what is this? Whoa, Sam.
Okay, so you have to, there's a few things in here, and you have to pull it out. So stick your hand in there, you can't look, and pull one out.
Wacky track! I want to open it.
Yes.
Where is it? How do I open it? Okay. Oh, I didn't want a wacky track. Oh my god. These are not that good. People are wrong. Or you can connect them. Oh my god.
So what do you think? What do you give it? What do you
I
rate it?
I give it a 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10?
Yes.
Alright. Wacky tracks, 3 out of 10. You ready?
Yes.
Your hand in there.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you did not, you. No, no.
Right here.
No, you didn't, Mom. It's so cute. It's so little. Thank you. I love these things. I love these little flippity doos. These are so cute. I give this a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right. 10 out of 10. Little octopus keychain. 10 out of 10. All right, ready? Next.
Yeah. I will begin this simple. Oh, tinkle. Okay. Okay, I give this a 2 out of 10 because it's not really that good.
2 out of 10?
Yes. It's not really that good.
I like it. Pretty cool. Okay, 2 out of 10. It's worse than the tracks.
It's worse.
Okay.
No, you did not, though. You did. How did you find all of these? How did you find...
Oh, wait, no. Fidget hunt.
I love these things. I better show Ferrari.
I
Oh my god.
I think it's a keychain. I think there's like a little hole right here. Yeah, you can poke it and make it into a keychain.
Oh. But I give this a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yes, this is so cute and I love it. You can pop the big one. Okay.
All right, 9 out of 10. This little guy. All right, there's one more thing in here.
I think it's a simple dimple. I want the simple dimple. Did you just give me a triple dimple?
Hmm?
I love triple dimples. And it's a fidget spinner. And you can turn it to...
So you put it in on your wrist.
Thank you.
You can do it this way.
I want to play with that.
Oh,
What's this? Oh.
that's for the octopus dimple.
Yeah. But I love it.
There we go, see?
Oh.
Okay. After this.
Oh.
That string's kind of messes with it, huh?
Can you do this again?
Huh? So what do you give that one? What do you rate that one?
I give this. So I do like triple dimples, so I'm gonna say a 12 out of 10.
What?
A 12 out of 10.
12 out of 10? Better than this one?
Wow, this
You really wanted that one.
Actually, I'm gonna give them both
Better than this
10 out of 10. This one a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Mhm.
Yay! Did you like them?
Yes.
Which one was your favorite?
I think all of them.
All of them? All
Yes.
right. High five.
I love so much.
Say bye.
Bye.